You hand your perfect engineering plans to the building official. He flips through, not looking for calculations, but for a category he understands. He can't find one. Then he speaks the words that kill your project. "I can't approve this. It's not in the code book." Your dream isn't unsafe. It's simply illegal because the rule book was written for wood and concrete, not a steel monocoque structure. You've just hit the code wall. But what if there are 3 hidden, perfectly legal doors that let you simply walk around it? An inspector's job isn't to be innovative. It's to mitigate liability by following a recipe book called the Residential Code. That book prescribes exactly how to build a wood frame house. A container home isn't an ingredient. It's steel walls, it's structural welds. None of it is in the recipe. For the inspector, approving your project isn't approving a house. It's approving a liability he can't take on. His refusal isn't malice, it's the system working as designed. The first loophole is geography. The fundamental rule is, the further you get from a city, the thinner the rule book gets. Build on unincorporated land, governed only by the county, not the city. Many rural counties either don't adopt building codes or enforce a minimal version. You choose a battlefield where the fight doesn't exist. But here is the builder's rulebook warning. No code does not mean no standards. The responsibility for safe engineering is now entirely yours. If you can't change the inspector's rulebook, change the book you play by. Instead of a site-built home, you build it off-site and certify it under a different legal class. As a modular home, it's inspected in the factory by state inspectors. As a manufactured HUD home, it follows a federal code that preempts all local rules. The local inspector can no longer challenge the structure. He can only inspect the foundation and the hookups. You trade DIY control for a guaranteed path to approval. This is your trump card. The building code itself has a clause for alternative materials and methods. You hire a state-licensed structural engineer to translate your plans into a language the official is legally obligated to accept. The engineer's stamp and calculations transfer the legal liability from the official to the engineer. This gives the official the professional cover he needs to sign off on something outside his recipe book. In the end, the code wall isn't dead end. It's a strategy test. The amateur fights it and gives up. The professional navigates it intelligently. Whether by choosing the right geography, the right legal classification, or the authority of an engineer, the goal is the same. You're not breaking the rules, you're playing the game with a smarter set of them, turning a project that was deemed illegal into a fully approved home. If these 3 legal loopholes have given you a clear path to get your project approved, show your support with a like and subscribe for more essential guides from the Builder's Rulebook. For the professional resources we use to navigate the system, you can find them by pointing your phone's camera at the QR code on the screen or by using the link in the description. Now, we want to hear from you. Navigating the legal code is one thing, but what about the invisible forces that can rip your home from its foundation? Let us know in the comments if you want a video on the one tie-down mistake that will destroy your container home.